Hey, what's up? Marcel here, and today I want to ask you if you really think that banana peel is good for health. Are there some uses you did not know about? So, I can assure you that banana peel is really good for health. As you know, most of the time, after eating a delicious banana, its peel ends up in the trash. But this is totally wrong because banana peel has many benefits that you did not know about. Most of us are throwing banana peels in the trash without knowing how useful it is. You may know that it can be used for fertilizing, polishing leather shoes, teeth whitening, or tenderizing meat. It is also really great for treating pimples, but also for fading wrinkles. So it's a good idea to think before you throw it in the trash. For banana lovers, this is great news. We all know how healthy bananas are because they are an excellent source of potassium and other important nutrients. But if the fruit itself is soft and sweet, the skin is hard, fibrous, and bitter. But even if it is not appetizing, banana peel has benefits for your health. And last but not least, the shells are also edible. Banana peel is good for health. Here are some surprising uses of banana peels. So, as we stated before, it is a very good remedy for treating pimples. Massage the peel on the face for at least 5 minutes daily for a week. Moreover, it also helps reduce wrinkles. Banana peel can moisturize the skin, and this is great for reducing wrinkles. You can also make a face mask from crushed banana peel and an egg yolk. It also helps whiten teeth. To do this, you need to rub the banana peel on the surface of your teeth for a minute. Do this every day for a week and the results will not be long in coming. At the same time, banana peel is used to remove warts. You can rub the banana peel on the surface of the wart, or you can tie it overnight over it. Last but not least, it helps as a treatment for psoriasis. You simply need to rub the banana peel on the area where your skin is itchy and irritated. The peel will act as a moisturizer and get rid of itching. It also heals insect bites. To do this, massage the peel on the bite to relieve pain and itching. What nutrients does the banana peel contain? Banana peel, which usually ends up in the trash, is incredibly nutritious. So, here is what it contains. Potassium, which fights high sodium diet and protects the heart. Magnesium for the function of muscles and nerves. Vitamin B6 or pyridoxine for skin, liver, eyes and hair. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin for the central nervous system. Fibers for intestinal health. Protein to develop muscles and for healthy cells. With all these uses and benefits, you are probably wondering why banana peel is not popular. But now, in the light of new information, it will certainly not end up in the trash. No more. And this is because banana peel is indeed very good for your health. Thank you very much for your attention.
So, do you like our video? Give us thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and activate bell notification. Support our work to appreciate you.